To our colleagues, friends, and citizens of Bosnia and Herzegovina, on behalf of the entire NATO Headquarters Sarajevo team, we want to wish you the warmest of holiday greetings. Thanks to our joint efforts, this year has been marked by the success of our invaluable partnership with the Ministry of Defense, the Armed Forces of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and other local partner institutions. Our goal continues to be to protect and support all of the citizens of this great country and to provide a stable and secure environment that will encourage economic prosperity.
To the service members and the support personnel here on the ground, thanks for the tremendous job you do on a daily basis to execute the mission. Your service and the service of those that came before you will ensure NATO's commitment to a safe and secure Bosnia and Herzegovina. And to all of our family and friends and loved ones back home, thanks for your support and sacrifice. We miss you.
Our commitment and the dedication of our home countries to the security and prosperity to all citizens of Bosnia and Herzegovina will remain at the core of our mission in 2018. This success not only secures the future for the next generation, but for their children and grandchildren as well.
We are extremely honored to be here, leading the NATO efforts in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And it's our sincere hope that you enjoy this time of the year and you celebrate the holidays, so all of us can successfully bring in 2018.
Sretni praznici!